Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to show you how to use our gang sheet builder. First thing you want to do is head over to our website. You're going to click on transfers and you're going to choose the option right here to build a gang sheet. Now there are different size gang sheets that we offer. You can start with the 12-inch, 24, or go up to 100 inches depending on how many prints that you need. In this particular video, we're just going to jump right into the 100. Don't worry, you can always downsize this gang sheet if you're using less room. So let's start off with the 100-inch. We're going to click on build your gang sheet. Now it's going to populate three options for you. One is to start a brand new fresh gang sheet where you can build your own. Other is to open up an existing gang sheet that you may have been working on. Lastly, it's going to be the auto build feature, which is my favorite and most easiest feature. So you're going to click on the auto build. And now it's going to give you the ability to upload your images. So we're going to go ahead and click on the upload button. We're going to go ahead and hit the content where we saved or have your files saved on a particular folder. And I'm just going to start loading them up into this gang sheet. These are the 8 files that I'm going to be using for this demonstration. Just go ahead and let it load like it normally will, and then everything will display right into the front with not only the sizes as well as some options for you to duplicate or create multiple. Now, as you see, there's actually a transparent warning here. This is a smart system that picks up any semi-transparent pixels that might be on your shirt or on your transfer design. We have a video that covers this in depth, so make sure that you guys review that video if you guys want to know more about transparent pixels. But this helps fix this issue. Again, it's not perfect, but it does its best to help alleviate the problem that you get with the gradient edging here. So in this particular case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on halftone, which is going to automatically bring me to this image editing, and you guys can see the edges have been fixed up like this. You can mess with the density and angle if you want to, but I'm going to cover that in another video. And I'm just going to go ahead and click apply because it already has a checkered background. That means it's transparent. So let's go ahead and apply. Now you have all 8 images on this dashboard where you can go ahead and either resize, or you can remove backgrounds, or you can upscale, or the main thing here is to make multiple quantities so that you can efficiently build your gang sheet. Now, briefly here, if you know the sizes of the transfer that you want, all you're doing here is you're just reviewing each one of these, making sure that everything is to size, because not everything is exported the right way. As you see this lower left image here, it is extremely large, 20-inch by 27-inch. It is just too large. What we're gonna do here is I'm gonna just change the height to make it more similar to a t-shirt design, so 13 inches. It brings it at 9.5 inches wide to 13 inches tall. Now I'm just gonna browse over everything. Some of them look a little bit large. This one particularly, let's say I'm gonna do a pocket logo. I just want it like that. And let's say I want 20 of these guys or 10 of these. And then let's review everything else. This is kind of big, like that. And I think that's good. So once you have your quantities set, basically here I only have one that has 10 quantities. Let's say I wanted to do 2 of these. I think I'm happy with these results. Let's just go ahead and click apply. And this is the beauty of it. It's really, really quick. And it detected that I only need a 72-inch for this project, so I didn't really need the full 100-inch. It already has margins, so don't touch anything like that. Margins are basically the margin between the prints so that you're not overlapping each other. And if you're happy with the results so far, all you're doing is clicking continue. And then it'll auto-populate this gang sheet for you. Everything is laid out. If we zoom closer, not only are you able to see that none of them are overlapping, but everything fits nicely. If you want to manually move things, of course you can move it, but you're gonna start to see some of the overlapping image there. Some of it is a problem, some of it isn't. It just really depends because it actually detects the whole full box. So as you can see, if I'm moving here, it's not really moving or crossing each other, but you can actually just move it to whatever fit and need that you want. Just like this one, you can move it if you want to give it more space. It depends on what you want. And if you're happy with the result, you can always just click on, I want to fill in this page. So you can always click on this image right here, shift it to place. And if you want to, you can just duplicate it and automatically fill in the spot. Now, once you get to this point and you're happy with it, you can easily just go ahead and save and add to cart. I always like to name things, so if you want to name it by date or something in reference to a date or an order so that you can easily reorder, that's what we definitely recommend. It has a quick check that detects overlapping, low resolution, and as well as semi-transparent pixels. So make sure that you guys are aware of everything. Click print anyways if you want to presume, and then you're going to click on the box that you understand that you own the rights to these images. Now, once it's added here, you'll see a cart and it'll have your gang sheet. This is the one that I did previously on another order. This is the newest one that I want to add here. If you want to add any shipping speed, that's what you're going to be doing here. If you notice that you want to add more, you can always click continue shopping and go back to the gang sheet, choose a new gang sheet of your size, and start creating from there again. You can do multiple gang sheets. You can also duplicate on here as well. But what I'm going to show you is another way to do it. This is a blank, brand new gang sheet if you want to start just from scratch. If you're, let's say you're going to upload the same designs here onto the sheet. And instead of auto building this for you, you want to do this yourself. You have total control. All you're doing is waiting for it to populate. Again, it detects that. Let's say I don't want to touch this way. I'm just going to hit continue. Now let's go ahead and start loading these images. This is quite large. It is 10 by 14, but it is a 300 resolution. But let's say I don't want this. I just want it pretty small, like so. And you can duplicate it like that. You can click on the next one if you want to, resize it down if needed, duplicate it if you want to. It's not perfect, but you can always just shift things around if you need to. It's real easy. Drag and drop works flawlessly here. And once you're satisfied, let's say you have one more image and then you have one more image and you're happy with it, you can go ahead and check out. But let's say, for example, we're gonna load this image here. It has white details here. You're not able to really see it clearly, but one of the tricks that works well here is you can click on settings and then you can change the visual aids. So instead of the checkered background, you can put gray or you can put black so you can easily see anything that's white. Again, you can always zoom in just to make sure that you can see the white, but it's not gonna print the black background, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you're satisfied with this particular one, you can always click save as well. You can go ahead and put the date as well again, and maybe sheet 2. And then just go ahead and add to cart. Now that these are all here on cart, you can continue to check out, pay for your order, and the order will be put into production. Once we receive the order, again, it takes roughly about 1 or 2 business days for us to process the order and get this shipped out to you guys, and you're ready to press like a professional. You have any other questions? Make sure you guys reach out to us. We're here to help you guys out.